So welcome guys to the fun in the kitchen. So today in my kitchen I have potato cheese balls. So let's start. Here we have some boiled potatoes, some refined flour or you can say some maida, some crushed cornflakes, some freshly chopped capsicum, some coriander, some processed cheese. Yummy. Some salt. First we are going to peel the potatoes and mash them quickly. So it's done. And now go for the next thing. And now here I have some capsicum and coriander. Now I'm going to add the refined flour in this for the binding. And now some capsicum and some coriander and mix it well. Now tonic, the taste maker, salt. So quickly some salt. So now we are going to make the balls and quickly add cheese inside the balls and roll it quickly. So it's ready. Now I'm quickly going to pass it through the slurry. I have made this with the flour and water only. And now in cornflakes. So they are ready. Look how beautiful they are looking, and we are going to fry them. And we have to check the temperature of oil as well. The oil should not be too hot, and we have to cook them till that golden brown. And look at the color. Now they are done. And here's the cheese. And we are going to serve them with the mint chutney I have made at home. So the potato cheese balls are ready. I am going to have it, and you must try at home. So stay safe, stay at home, and enjoy the lockdown. Thank you.